TikTok Live Studio microphone settings that you need to know. So here are some TikTok Live Studio microphone settings that you need to know. First, you just need to simply press your Windows button and go with settings. Under settings, you need to search for microphone and go with the microphone. And here, make sure that your microphone language is set to English, and then go with the voice speed. You can simply check your voice speed, preview voice, and you can also manage or add voices and make sure the language is English. Once you've done this, now you need to go to your Bluetooth and devices and make sure that your device is working properly. And the next thing you can do is just check your microphone device, and after that you just need to simply go with the settings, which is here on the bottom, and then go with more settings, and here you will have your volume mixer. So you just need to simply go with the settings of volume mixer and make sure that it is turned on. And once you've downloaded your TikTok Live Studio, then you can simply open up the TikTok Live Studio. And once you open up the TikTok Live Studio, then you will have the apps volumes right here. So I'm using my OBS Studio right here on the bottom. You can see that. So I have the OBS application volume, right? So you can simply adjust the volume for a particular application. So install the TikTok Live Studio and then adjust the volume for that application. And the next thing you need to make sure is, for example, I'll be choosing the OBS Live Studio. So once you start the recording, here you will have the audio input capture, right? So make sure that your audio input capture is not red. It should be at green or yellow, which is the maximum, but it should not go red. And make sure that it is turned on. If you simply click on this volume button or the speaker button, then it will be turned off. So make sure that it is turned on in your live studio, and make sure that it is not touching the red line, which is very important. So that's what you need to know in TikTok Live Studio microphone settings. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.